Be honest. How many hours have you wasted trying to find leads online? Frustrating, right? What if I told you there's a directory website where you can instantly find companies ready to work with you? In this video, I will show you step by step exactly how to find worldwide company leads from directory website. Hey there, it's Sabek here. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I create a video about lead generation, how to scrape leads without any coding. Make sure to hit subscribe my channel if you don't miss my next video. So guys, let's dive in. Guys, here is the some directory website for lead generation. You can easily find any kind of business leads from those directory website. Let your client need USA business company leads. So you can go to YellowPages.com or Yelp.com or citysearch.com. So guys, I open my Google Chrome, search YellowPages.com. Click enter. Guys, after visiting this site, you can find any business leads. At first, you can type any business. The right of the box, you can type location, whatever your client location business need. Suppose I looking restaurant. Now I choose location Dallas, and now click find. We can find 30 restaurant business information. Now we scrape those business leads. So we can click just simply instant data scraper. Guys, if you don't know how to edit instant data scraper extension, you can watch my previous video how to scrape Google Maps. I hope you can easily understand how to edit this extension. So guys, right now I don't show you again how to edit this extension. Guys, after click this extension icon, they marked and highlight this 30 restaurant. So guys, instant data scraper easily scrape this 30 business information. They collect 30 row. Can you see guys, this restaurant business YellowPages provide 3000 leads. You can easily scrape 3000 leads from this YellowPages and easily find a restaurant business information. So guys, we need more leads. So we need second, third, fourth, and fifth page leads. So we scrape business leads information. If we go to second page, this page they show you another 30 business information. So we just click this button, start crawling. Can you see guys, this extension easily scrape second page and third page. He already collected 90 business leads. He scraped fourth page and 120 row collected he already. So this extension easily scrape all business information from this YellowPages. So now we stop crawling. So guys, we already scraped 9 page and collected 270 business leads information just a few seconds. Now we easily download those business leads. You can download CSV file or Excel file, whatever you want. So I choose CSV file. So click CSV and it's already downloaded. Can you see guys, we find all business information from YellowPages. So we already scraped 270 business leads. So guys, I hope now you can easily understand how to scrape business information from YellowPages. But guys, if you want to scrape another way, you can watch my previous video. Go to my YouTube channel and just watch this video, how to scrape business email and obtain data into Excel. This video I already show you how to scrape YellowPages just using one software. Also, if you want to need how to edit extension instant data scraper, you can just watch this video how to scrape leads from Google Maps. But guys, if your client need UK leads, you can simply visit https://www.yell.com/. You can visit this website and easily find your UK business company information. If your client need Canada location, you can visit this website. So guys, if you need any country, you can just type https://yellowpages.fr/world/ then click enter. After visiting this site, you can easily see they provide all country YellowPages link. If you want to need Brazil YellowPages, you can just simply click this link and they show you Brazil YellowPages website. You can just scroll down and find any country YellowPages website and easily collect leads for your client. But guys, sometimes you cannot find any directory website. This time you can go to Google search bar and at first type your business industry, then space and write location, then space and write your country based directory website. Suppose I show you dentist, then space and location London, then space and write business directory, then click enter. And this way you can easily find business directory website whatever you need for your client. And this way you can easily find business directory website and collect leads for your client. So guys, I hope now you can easily understand how to find any kind of business leads from directory website. I hope this video is helpful for you. Make sure to hit subscribe button if you don't miss my next video. Also, if you have any query, don't forget to ask in the comment box. If you need any freelance service like lead generation, script tracing, you can find my email address in the description below. So guys, see you in the next video.